Hi everyone, today we're going to share with you our healthy granola recipe. First, you're going to preheat your oven to 140 degrees. Then, in a large mixing bowl, pour in the oats and the nuts of your choice. For quantities and detailed instructions, have a look at the video description. So I've chosen to add walnuts, pecans, almonds. Almonds can also be pre-roasted if you prefer them that way. And I've also added some cashews. So you're going to set this mixing bowl aside and grab a smaller one. Here you'll mix in the honey and coconut oil. You can also use olive oil. Here you should be adding the salt. I forgot to add it at this step, so I added it later on, but it should be done here. I'll also add in the cinnamon and the vanilla extract if you choose to have some. To ensure it is properly blended, microwave it for 23 seconds, and once you take it out of the microwave, mix it in again. You should pour in this mixture into your oats and make sure all the oats and nuts are lightly coated. If this isn't the case, you can just mix in some more of the honey, as I'm doing here. Once this is done, you should place your granola mixture onto your baking sheet. Spread the mixture evenly with a spoon, and this will ensure it bakes evenly throughout. Chuck it in the oven for 20 minutes until it is lightly golden. Here you can add shredded coconut and then stir the mixture. In the video, I am also adding in the salt that I forgot to add beforehand, but it should have been done with the oil mixture. After stirring it, place it in the oven to bake for another 35 minutes. Remove the granola from the oven and let it cool undisturbed for 30 minutes. Top it with the dried fruit. I am using cranberries. And then break the granola with your spoon. To store it, place it in an airtight container and enjoy.